COVID-19, smartphone without Arogya Setu app will draw punishment for user in Gautam Budh Nagar. Not having the Arogya Setu app on smartphones while out in a public place in Noida or Greater Noida will be considered a violation of the coronavirus-forced lockdown and attract punishment, according to new guidelines issued by the police. Action will also be taken against people going outdoors without a face mask or spitting in public places, according to the police in Gautam Budh Nagar in western Uttar Pradesh. Arogya Setu is a mobile application developed by the central government to connect essential health services with the people over the fight against COVID-19. If smartphone users do not have the Arogya Setu app installed on their mobile phones, then that will be punishable and considered a violation of the lockdown directions, Additional Deputy Commissioner of Police, Law and Order, Ashutosh Dwivedi said. During the lockdown period, political, social, religious, sports gatherings, as well as protest marches and rallies, will remain banned across Noida and Greater Noida, the official said in the order. During the period, political, religious or social, cultural gatherings will not be allowed, and protest rallies etc. will remain banned. People will not be allowed to gather outdoors on streets or in lanes, and a 2-yard distance should be maintained by those out, Dwivedi said in a statement. Not more than 50 people will be allowed during wedding events, and not more than 20 at funerals during the lockdown period, and social distancing has to be followed even during these events, the officer said. Gautam Budh Nagar, which falls in the red zone, has 34 containment zones and has recorded 179 positive cases of coronavirus so far, with 102 of these patients being cured and discharged from hospitals, according to official figures.